How to recover permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your preferred browser, chat support. After that, tap on I can't access my account. Then go to my account is deactivated. After that, simply fill up the form and enter your login details, that are your emails and username, and go to contact support and then simply submit a request, and rest is on Snapchat support center. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next